test your understanding. Kung nakasabot na dyan mo, na ako yung mga pagtanan niya. Excited ba mo sa mga pagtanan, guys?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I have one question. First question is, how would you arrange number from the number line? Yes, Michelle?
Let's go with this.
Yes, very good. Give Michelle 3 claps. Okay, next question. If you have an eggplant, then you sold it for 30 pesos. So, how would you present that in number line? Yes, Marcia?
Negative 30.
Negative 30 or positive 30?
Positive 30.
Yes, very good. So, give Marcia 5 laps. Last question. If your friend owes you 20 pesos for buying some rice, how would you represent that number in number line? So, kung nanguha mo 20 pesos mo, friend, then asa man mo, kung ibutang niyo sa number line, asa man niyo ibutang? So, it's a once. Yes, Kevin?
I would mark in negative 20.
Yes, exactly. Thank you, Kevin. So, give Kevin 5 claps.